Okay, roll your memories back to approximately 2 months ago. I rolled in here on a transporter with a car on the back that you may have mistaken it for a heap of shite. Now, at all times, I was half doubting myself. Is it not? Will it work out? Take a look at the result. This is the result. Now, if you know anything about cars, and I mean anything at all, you know I'm not arsing about a 2003 Focus for nothing. There's something special about this one. If you haven't already guessed it, I'll give you a hint. I had to dig deep into my pockets and get my own hands dirty to get this result and get a few favours done. All in record timing. 2 months. Who has now the glass and everything about this car? So it is an exciting refurb. Take a look. I'm going to play a few clips and I'll get back and yap to you at the end.
You getting some of it off? Okay, so today is a very good day. Extremely excited now. Good news, the RS Focus, we have found the painter. He's willing to do the paint job. I said to him, look, you know, I'll look after you well for it now. I'll get the glass stripped out and everything. So I'm on my way to see him. He's a little bit camera shy, but I should be able to get a good few clips of the car. Okay, so behind me, I've just popped in to see how we're getting on with the RS Focus. I'm forgetting which car we're doing now. And we have a stripped right down. Look, the whole roof is back to the red. It underneath is in primer, some of it. So basically, next step, we're going to get the glass removed. We're going to have a guy come out, take the glass out of it. So it's getting the full glass out, respray. And then obviously when the car comes back, it's going to be, this is the original colour underneath again. Look, that's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it will. So look, that's a quick update there for you. Can't wait until it's ready. Looking forward to this now. I hope you enjoyed them few clips as much as I've enjoyed it, and even down to my little daughter there, he's in a peeling off the old paint on it. It's been great. I'm not doing this for the financial benefit of it, although I've been told the car's worth in around 30k. I sort of had an offer on it while it was in the process, but that's not the idea. The idea was to save this car. It was in an atrocious state. Now, I mean, painting the car red, then putting that blue stuff, whatever you call it, the peely paint stuff on it afterwards. I mean, the car now, I feel overwhelmed about how it's turned out. And again, I'm not just in it for the money, I'm in it for the pure love of saving the RS. It belongs to the RS family, like the RS, the Sierra, the Cosworth, the Escort RS. Them cars, as you know, generally in any way, regardlessly, get a full nut and bolt restoration at around 25 to 30 year old. However, this one's having it early. I had it on its 20th birthday. Saying that, in the UK at the moment, a lot of these Focuses
are undergoing, all the seals have to be done, they have to be welded and painted and replaced, and the seal runs along here, and the reason for that is the salt on the roads of the UK eat into them. This one had a lucky escape being Irish, there's absolutely no rot on it, and with the body, the paint that's been done on that, the car has little or no reason to rot for the near future or the next 20 years. Look at it, it's practically brand new. Now, as you might have enjoyed it throughout the video, we had our window man, he removed every pane of glass. I mean, that's a proper job, that's what you want to be aiming for. We done it in great timing as well, by the way. When he took the glass out, it really impressed me now, because when I got back into the car, he had cleaned every panel of glass from the back window, the front window, the side windows. He cleaned them all down, so when I sat in the car, it felt like a brand new car. Take a walk around the body, I'll run through a few of the extras on it if you're not familiar with such luxuries as Brembo brakes, OZ racing wheels, even down to that tyre. They are 4 Michelin tyres on it. There's been no expense spared on this car. Beautiful bodywork, known as the RS Blue, also called Impact Blue, but I prefer to call it RS Blue. It's the most sought after colour in a Ford you could ask for. Everything on this car really is not focus related, down to the engine, to the wide arch flares on the body, the side vents, and take a peek at the inside. This interior, look, you find the likes of this interior in a race car for the track. Look, Sparko bucket seats, push button start, steel pedals, badge number of the car 504. I mean, the car has the works. There's only two little small things that bother me, right? Number one, the steering wheel is just a standard steering wheel with a little bit of blue trimming. They could have done a little bit more now, come on, a little bit more. The other thing is, we have this push button start, which is a very cool feature. A lot of the modern cars have the push button start. The only thing about this one is, you have to still put the key in to disengage the steering lock. The steering lock is not electric on it, but obviously the key code automatically picks up. They're the only two downfalls for it. Otherwise, I'm absolutely in love with the car. I can't wait to get out and road test it. Road testing that, we'll have to do part 3 on it, because these videos, there's so much to mention. I mean, how many dimensions? Look at the fog light and the spotlight and the lower bumper with the mesh, unbelievable. Look, there's only so much talking I can do. The car, I mean, speaks for itself. Part 3 will be the road test. Keep tuned, keep subscribed, and keep liking.